to go?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
And what do you say?
Rain, rain, go away, come next tomorrow.
Who's right?
Me. And not Eric. Not Dad. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come next tomorrow day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. And not Eric.
Who's right?
Eric.
Is Eric right?
Not Eric.
Is Danielle right? Danielle must be right.
Yeah.
Is
No, me right now. Not Daniel's right. Eric's right. I'm right, not Eric.
Oh, Eric must be right.
I'm right, and not
How's
Eric.
that song supposed to go?
Rain, rain, go away. Come back tomorrow day. Rain, not like that. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Not like that. Mommy, I'm right, not Eric. Not right. I'm right, and not you right. I am right, and you are. No, you're not. That's you. Yes, I am right. No, we say that Daddy's right. Rain, rain, go away. Come back some other day.
How's it go, Eric?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Hey, I say, rain, rain, go away. Come back some more day.
And what does Eric say?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. I say, rain, rain, go away. Come back some more day. Oh, cookie. Well, you can't have a cookie. Not like that. You're not right. I'm right. No, the guy is right. Nina's right, and Nancy's right.
Oh, he has 3 people on his side now, Danielle.
I got 6 people.
You do? Uh-oh.
And I got 18 people too.
You do?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Just like that. The bubble. And Gray is right, and Aline is right, and Nancy right, and Danielle's right.
Danielle is right? Danielle is right?
Yeah.
So how do you sing it, Danielle?
Rain, rain, go away. Come back some other day. Not like that. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy, rain, rain, go away. Come back some other day. Rain doesn't go. Rain, rain, come back some other day. No, not that rain, rain. Go away. Now, Diana's right today. Diana's right today. And me? No, Daddy's right. I'm right. No, Daddy's right today. And rain, go away. Okay. Now. Nope. You want to go to bed? Then eat. No, I'm drinking my milk. It's okay.
Have TJ judge it.
Not Eric. Eric is. I'm
I don't
right.
even know what the problem is yet. Listen, TJ.
Uh-oh, TJ, come here. You said that Eric's right?
I'm right.
And Danielle says that she's right.
Oh, she's not. Very sorry. I am. No, you aren't, Danielle. But do you want me to call you Cuppy all day? What? Want me to call you Cuppy all day? Cuppy all day? No! Yes. Nicky! Danielle! Nicole Danielle! No, never. Everything in Danielle is that bacon. They break in Andy's way. You know. Run the fire after rackets today. Do you? Only me and Rascal. And Nancy. And Tisha. And Cookie. And Dog.
Boy, Danielle, that's a lot of people you have on your side.
What? Not like that. Also the guy and Arlen and Danny and Jose. Everybody. I'll go with him out.
What did you say, Danielle?
When we go away, come again another day.